If you ever stop in a supermarket looking at health drink and wondered, is Ensure actually worth buying or is it just another expensive nutrition powder? Then this review is exactly what you need. Today we are taking a close look at the Ensure chocolate flavor health supplement by Abbott. I will show you everything from the packaging and what's inside the box to the powder itself, the nutrition facts, ingredient, taste, who should use it, and whether it's worth spending rupees 745 for a 375 grams of pack. Which they have clearly mentioned over here. And make sure you stay till the end because there are few things on the ingredient list and nutrition panel that many people don't notice before buying. We will also discuss both the advantage and the drawback so you can decide if this product is right for you. If you find this review helpful, don't forget to check the Amazon purchase link in the description if you are planning to buy it. Let's start by opening the box. Before that, we will look at packaging looks premium and informative. On the front, Abbott highlights that Ensure provide balanced nutrition for adults and supports strength, immunity, energy, which they have clearly mentioned in over here. The box also mentioned that it contains 32 nutrients, which immediately catches the attention. Another claim on the front say it is clinically proven to improve nutritional status. According to the pack, adults who consume 2 servings daily for 12 weeks show significant recovery in BMI, body weight, and energy intake compared to a control group. Now let's open the packet. So friends, now I'm going to open this pack in front of you. Inside the box, let's see what is they have given it to us. So inside the box, you get a steel foil pouch. So friends, I'm opening the packet by cutting it over here. The powder has a pleasant chocolate aroma and feels smooth without any noticeable lumps. The color is exactly what you expect from a chocolate nutrition drink. The instructions suggest two preparation methods. If you are using milk, mix 3 tablespoons, approx 27 gram with 150 ml of milk. And if you are using water, mix 6 heaped tablespoon, approx 55 gram with 190 ml of water. Abbott recommend drinking it twice a day. Now let's talk about what actually inside this powder. Let's talk about the ingredients. So I'm going to take this packet and see what are the ingredients mentioned over here. The ingredient mentioned here is skim milk powder, that followed by sucrose, maltodextrin, edible vegetable oil, including high oleoic sunflower oil and soy oil, 4.5% cocoa powder, fructose, 3.9% fructose, FOS, chocolate flavoring, natural caramel color, vitamins, minerals, and the antioxidant mixed tocopherol, which they have clearly mentioned over here. You can clearly see over here. The product contains milk, so people with milk allergy should avoid it. It is also not suitable for people with galactosemia or lactose intolerance, which Abbott clearly mentioned on the package. Now let's move to the complete nutrition fact because this is one of the most important section. Let's see in 100 gram and per 100 gram Ensure chocolate provides energy that is 420 kcal, protein that is 15.10 gram, total fat that is 11.50 gram, carbohydrate, talking about the carbohydrate, that is 61.73 gram, and total sugar that is 35 gram. Beyond this, might Ensure contain a wide range of vitamins and minerals. That's where the 32 nutrient claim come from. This include important nutrients like calcium, iron, zinc, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, vitamin A, C, D, E, K, and the complete B vitamin group including B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, folic acid, and biotin. This nutrient play different role in supporting the muscle function, bone health, metabolism, immunity, and overall nutrition. One thing that stands out is the inclusion of fructooligosaccharides, also known as FOS. These are prebiotic fiber that help to support healthy gut bacteria, which is a nice addition compared to many regular nutrition powders. Now let's talk about who this product is designed for. According to Abbott, Ensure is made for adults. It is especially aimed to adults who may feel weak, experience reduced muscle mass as they age, or simply want additional nutrition support. It can be useful for people recovering from illness, individuals with poor appetite, or adults who struggle to meet their daily nutrition through regular meals. However, this is not intended for children unless recommended by physician or qualified healthcare profession. The pack also clearly states that it is not for medicinal use, not for intravenous use, and should not replace a balanced diet. So while Ensure can help supplement your nutrition, it shouldn't become your only source of nutrition. Now, we will also discuss the pros and the cons in detail, talk about the storage, pricing, value for money, and finally answer the most important question, that should you actually buy Ensure chocolate or are there better alternatives? Now comes the part everyone wants to know. How does Ensure chocolate actually taste? So I have already prepared this packet earlier. And I brought a new packet also today. So after mixing the powder dissolve quite well, especially in milk. A quick stir is usually enough, although using a shaker gives an even smoother consistency. There are no major lumps if you mix it correctly. The chocolate flavor is mild rather than overly rich. It isn't as sweet as a chocolate milkshake, but is pleasant enough for daily consumption. If you're expecting a dessert-like chocolate drink, this may feel lighter, but for a nutrition supplement, the taste is enjoyable. Now let's look at the biggest advantage of this product. The first major positive is that it contains 32 essential nutrients, making it more comprehensive than many regular health drinks. The second advantage is the balanced nutritional profile. Along with carbohydrate for energy, it also gives 15.10 gram of protein per 100 gram, healthy fat, vitamins, and minerals. Another positive is the inclusion of prebiotic fructose 3.9%, which may support digestive health. It is also gluten-free by nature, which is a good news for many consumers who avoid gluten. The powder has a good mixability. The chocolate flavor is pleasant and the preparation process is also very simple. Abbott is also a globally recognized healthcare company which gives many buyers confidence in the product quality. But no product is perfect, so let's discuss the drawback as well. The biggest concern for some people will be the 35 gram of total sugar and per 100 gram. While sugar contributes to energy and taste, people who are limiting sugar intake should definitely keep this in mind. The ingredient list also includes sucrose, maltodextrin, and fructose, which means it isn't a low sugar product. The protein content is decent for a complete nutrition supplement, but if your only goal is building muscle, there are protein powder with much higher protein percentage. Another downside is the price. This 375 gram pack costs rupees 745, making it more expensive than many standard nutrition drinks which are available in the market. Storage is also very important. Once you open the foil pouch, Abbott recommends using the content within 3 weeks after opening. Transfer the powder to a clean, airtight container and keep it in a cool, dry place. Storage is also important. Once you open the foul pouch, Abbott recommends using the content within 3 weeks. After opening, transfer the powder to a clean, airtight container and keep it in a cool, dry place. Do not refrigerate the dry powder. If you have already prepared the drink, consume it immediately or refrigerate it and finish it within 24 hours. Now let's answer the most important question. Who should buy this Ensure chocolate? If you are an adult looking for a balanced nutrition, recovering from illness, experiencing weakness, eating less than usual, or simply wanting additional vitamins and minerals along with moderate protein, Ensure is a solid option. Who may want to skip it? If you are specifically searching for high protein fitness supplement or trying to avoid added sugar or have lactose intolerance this may not be the ideal product. Finally, here's my overall verdict. For packaging, I'll give 9 out of 10. For taste, I'll give 8.5 out of 10. For mixability, I'll give 8 out of 10. For nutrition, I'll give 9 out of 10. For protein, I'll give 8 out of 10. For value for money, I'll give 8 out of 10. So overall rating, I'll give 8 out of 10. So Ensure chocolate isn't marketed as a bodybuilding protein powder. It is a complete adult nutrition supplement, and when judged for that purpose, it performs quite well. You get vitamins, minerals, protein, healthy fat, carbohydrate, prebiotic fiber, and balanced nutrition in one drink. Before buying, compare your own nutrition needs with what this product offers. If your goal matches with purpose, it can be a useful addition to your daily routine. If you're interested in purchasing it, I have added the Amazon link in the description for your convenience. If this review helped you to understand the product better, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether you have tried Ensure chocolate or if you prefer another nutrition drink. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye friends.